So here's the PTS Dead Air. It comes with the flash hider, the can itself with the tracer inside, the tool for the original cap, right? So to remove the front, unscrew here first. The cap is metal in construction, so it's very unlikely to break. To remove the tracer units, stick your long rod inside slowly and carefully, like that. Then this will come loose, like so. To turn this on, you need to press the button on the rear, 1, 2, 3, and then it should turn on. Hold on. I might need to charge it, actually. So some of these you need to charge. So do charge them for USB-C when you get home. To reassemble, all you gotta do is put this back, like that, and then put this in. Slowly put your finger on the screw, and then carefully put it in, like that. Then put this back on. Okay. Make sure that this is on its open position, like that. You can also tell because the three nubs are aligned, as you can see. Okay. So when you first put it on, make sure your flash hider is completely on, tight, with the grub screw tightened all the way in. PTS does recommend to use a blue Loctite to secure the flash hider onto the barrel. When you first put it in, slide it in, and then turn, turn counterclockwise to lock it into place, right? So in, lock, initial lock. Then hold it like this and turn, hold on the black part, the rear end, and turn the front until it's tight, like so. Do not just turn like this, otherwise you're also going to move the flash hider and the grub screw may scratch your barrel threads. So that's why I'm holding on to the rear first, then you can turn to unlock like this. Now, with that being said, if even after you do the initial lock and you lock it and it's still wobbly, chances are you need to play with this. So what I did was I already made it tighter than normal by pressing this down and then slip it over like that. So I'm making it looser just to demonstrate. If I put it in, lock, and it's still loose, then right, I can unloosen it and slip this over. Oh, okay, it's the other way. Slip this over just to make it tighter. You may need a second person to help you due to how tight it is. So let's see. It's counterclockwise to make it tighter, right? So put it back in. Now it's tight and it won't move. And there you go. That's the tutorial. Thank you very much.